Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable take a break feature on Instagram. So let's get started. So if you are a type of person who likes to scroll through Instagram reels for hours, then this feature is just for you. Because with this feature, Instagram will ask you to take a break after completion of certain time period set by you. To enable take a break feature on Instagram, first open Instagram app on your mobile. Now tap on profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Now tap on hamburger menu icon, which is three horizontal lines at the top. From the available options, tap on your activity. Here you will find average time you have spent per day on Instagram app. Now under manage your time section, tap on set a reminder to take a breaks option. Here you can set a time duration like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, or you can keep it to off. Once you set option other than off, Instagram will remind you to take a break after completion of time interval set by you at once. So this is how you can enable take a break feature on Instagram. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.